My God, oh my God, oh my holy God. Hi guys, Stephen Afford from Afford Limited. Today we're going to talk a little bit about building a business based on, say, trading on the financial market, for example. It's not an easy project, just like any business. You still got to do your fundamentals and your researches and your analysis and all those things that pertain trading success in financial market. It is a business, so you got to treat it like a business. So what have I found since trading as a business, not as a hobby on a financial market? There are so many opportunities. First things you need to do is a mindset. You got to have a good optimistic mindset. Secondly, you need a good platform to work with. And thirdly, you need some sort of mentor or somebody that you are learning from to be able to say, trading on the financial market as a business. We at Afford Limited, it is part of our business model or production line to trade on the financial market wherever there is opportunity to generate profit for the company. We're just sharing these ideas with you. If you want to start your own, that's entirely up to you. But Afford Limited is based on the fundamentals of using any financial sectors or product or assets that's going to produce us massive profits. It's all to do with profits. It is a business model, but at the same token, we can't be playing around with this model. So I'm just going to share with you some of the elements, some of the tools we're using in this vast, micro, fast opportunity that anybody can have a go at it. If you're a novice or trader, just a trader for fun, it's entirely up to you. But in our case, it's a business model. So I'm just going to give you some basics. We're not financial gurus. We're not anything other than just entrepreneurs who wants to utilize some of these platforms as income generating tools. It is a business. We're treating it as a business, as I have said earlier. But basically, if you want to start, as I said, just follow some of these systems. So if you want to set up one system to test your ability or test your skill with, investing.com provides a free service. Use it. Now, this particular chart that I have set up, I'm just going to show you some of the tools that I use to track the market before I actually make a trade. I'm trading today Bitcoin against the US dollar. This is the button or the two pairs that I use commonly to trade with. And I've set the chart up that's right in front of us right now the way it is. Now, without all these, let me see if I can remove them now. If I take them off, and I'll show you how to set them up again. Remember, they're just tools. Basically, this is what we're getting from investing.com, tracking Bitcoin against the US dollar. That's the chart today, and today's date is the 3rd of December 2025. Hey, and you have a Merry Christmas, okay? Remember, we're tracking the market just using these fundamentals. Oops, hold on, just since we're talking, I got to do some, I got to take some profits. Hold on. Wait on, I better go back to my fundamentals. It's gone past. Oh my God, it's really ramping. Okay, it's really ramping. I'm making a video and I'm right in the middle of a trading at the same time, and you're capturing me at that moment. These are my trades, open trades for now. It has gone past. Ooh, hold on, let me go back. I was setting up my fundamentals, but anyway, I'm predicting that this market is going to go all the way down here. Now I'm going to set up my parameters and my tools and my indicators. Now follow me. Here we go. The first one we're going to put up is the Bollinger Band, this baby here. Second one we're going to follow is the MACD. Click on the MACD. Now remember, I got these tools from up here, indicator slash. And the last one is Sadoshi something RSI. Now, once those are set up, it's giving me now then a system that I can follow. The market is down. That's good. It's telling me don't buy anything yet. It's got to have some sort of signal that's going to go up. Then I purchase what is called a buy position. But at the moment, everything is pointing down. Oh, hold on, something's happening. Wait there. But I better take my profits. Oh, pushed the wrong one. Sorry, you caught me right in the middle of the trade. Let me go back to my fundamentals. Okay, it's recovering. The MACD the blue line hasn't crossed the red, suggesting it's still going down somehow, even though the RSI is down and showing a little bit of momentum going back up. I think it's going to continue coming down. So I'm just going to wait a little bit until that comes up. Hold on, let me set this up a bit more. I'm going to make another purchase, a sale position, take profit. I'm setting this take profit all the way down here. It might take all day, of course. And I'm going to set my close trade if I lose on the last high. Okay, that it's set. It's like set and forget. On my trading platform, I'm just going to keep an eye on it. I'm going to look for an entry level. Oh, here I am talking about, and I'm trading. Sorry, guys. You just caught me in the middle of a trade. But anyway, if you set your system up to track the market before you even make a trade, very, very important, before you even come here to your trading platform. And by the way, do subscribe to my YouTube video, like my YouTube video, and there's a link below this video to join this platform. It's VT Market, pretty good trading platform, and the other one's Libertex or something. But anyway, let's stay focused. Oh, hold on, I better make a purchase. Oh, that's not nice. I'm supposed to be making trades. Here we go. You'll see that my volume is 30. The reason being, because I'm quite confident this market is going to continue to drop. This is another crucial point. It's the volume that you trade your account. Basically, the professional rule states we only trade 10%. This is 30%. Of our balance. We try and not to trade more than 10, say 15 and 20%. Why? It's a safety reason, because the market does what it does, and we can't be 100% sure, even when we set up our parameters and our signals, that it's going to go our way. I say 95% of the time it does, but there are times when it just comes against us. That's the reason it's recommended we only trade 10% or the highest maybe 20% of your account balance. If you're really a gambler, I mean, you can do 100% volume trade. I mean, it's entirely up to you. But to look after your account instead of blowing it, it's highly recommended you only trade between, say, even if you trade 1%, say 1 to 20% is a safety margin. So if you do lose the trade, you're not going to blow your account up. You're only going to probably lose the percentage of how much of the volume that you have traded. So bear that in mind. It's on a 1 minute time frame. That's where I want to be, pointing to the chart. It's not what I think. I'm just following the chart. See the trend, and that started this morning. The trend, and of course, let me show you a little bit of history. I could be wrong. It looks like a W for me. An M, it's twice here, another one here, another one. It always indicates to us the two tops. If you get two tops like that, it always means it's going to drop. Okay, here's another top, two top, it drops. Just simple fundamentals, and you don't have to be a rocket science to read this. Now, at the same token, now I'm reading this, it's sort of forming a W, and W means it's going up if you get two bottoms. One bottom here, another bottom here. So I got to be careful now trading in this market with these signals. So remember, these are just signals to give you and I guidance. So what's the point of all this? It's all to do with profits. Okay, it's all to do with profits. This account I just started this morning is a brand new account of 100,000, I think, and it's already up 44,000. Just trading. Now I'm going to take those profits. I'm scalping, of course. So as long as the candlestick comes up a little bit more, I'm going to take another trade going down. So I'm scalping my profits. I'm not allowing it to run. But I do realize it could be going back up, but I don't think so, because the MACD blue line here is still below the red line. So it's telling me the market's still going down. So I'm going to keep purchasing more going down positions. That's how easy it is. Now, the fundamentals, again, as I said, treat it as a business. Treat it seriously. Do your homework first, and the homework you got to do with any of these websites, whether it be investing.com, and there are great tools that you could use. I've really shown you how to set your system up. There's so many systems. This is the one I use. You choose the one that you like, but if you want to follow my one, you already got to connect with me, like my YouTube videos, subscribe to my YouTube videos, and you'll get more of these little ideas in the future. But again, as I said, this is our business model. We're just going to use a little bit of this now and again to increase our bottom line. Already the trade that I've opened this morning has made us a bit of profit, nearly over half the volume, the investment we put in, which was $100,000. Stephen R. Ford from Afford Limited. You have a Merry Christmas news again, and have a Happy New Year and a prosperous New Year at that. We love you. God loves you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.